To install Medincle PLUS, simply download the installer and open it. You might be asked to input your administrator password. Please note that if you have any custom dictionaries installed into your Dragon software, it may be worth backing this up. We have instructions on how to do this here. Click Next and have a read of our terms and conditions. If you're happy, accept them and proceed. Then click Install to continue. A black box may pop up, but will soon disappear. There you go. Medincle PLUS is installed.